On screen, title card. Narrator, here's how to convert your Wix website to WordPress in 2025 in 5 clear steps. On screen label, Step 1, Prep. Narrator, first, audit your Wix site. List your pages, blog posts, menus, images, and any apps or forms you rely on. Narrator, download images and copy text you'll need. Some Wix content won't export automatically, so grab anything critical now. On screen label, Step 2, Export. Narrator, in Wix, export what you can, blog posts via RSS, and copy any menus or layouts as reference screenshots. Narrator, if your domain is on Wix, unlock it and note your DNS settings so you can point it to your new host later. Quick recap text on screen, audit save content export unlock domain. Narrator, once your content and domain are prepped, you're ready to build on WordPress. On screen label, Step 3, Hosting in WordPress. Narrator, choose a WordPress-friendly host, create an account, and use their one-click installer to set up WordPress. Narrator, log into your new WordPress dashboard, install a clean theme, and add a page builder plugin if you want drag and drop control. On screen label, Step 4, Rebuild. Narrator, recreate your key pages, home, about, services, contact. Use your Wix text and images as your guide, not as exact copies. Narrator, import your blog posts from the RSS file or paste them in manually. Then rebuild your menus and links to match your old structure. On screen label, Step 5, Final checks. Narrator, point your domain to your new host, then test every page, form, and link on desktop and mobile. Narrator, when everything looks good, close out your Wix plan and enjoy your new WordPress freedom in 2025. On screen, Wix WordPress, complete.